Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about getting the SWIFT code of Siam Commercial Bank of Thailand. So the whole process of getting the SWIFT code of Siam Commercial Bank Thailand is going to be explained in this video step by step. So watch the video till end, do not skip any part of it. Before I proceed to the process of getting the SWIFT code of Siam Commercial Bank of Thailand, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. This is a link provided in the description box. By clicking the link, you'll come to this page. Here you can see four boxes. The first box is to select the country. So in the first box, we'll select the country, Thailand. The second box is now enabled, and the second box is to select the bank. So here we will type Siam Commercial Bank. Third box is to select the city. So in this box, we'll select the city, Bangkok. Now the fourth box is enabled, and the fourth box is for the SWIFT code. As we click it, you can see two SWIFT codes. We'll select the second one. As we select the SWIFT code, the all information about the SWIFT code will be provided to us. And friends, here you can see our SWIFT code. And again, in the key information, the SWIFT code is provided here, the bank name is provided here, and the bank address also provided here. So this is the method by which you can get the SWIFT code of Siam Commercial Bank, Thailand. See you in another video. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.